Jesus! Oh, this is the entrance, huh? Beautiful.
Did you know that this painter's story?
That's this guy name, right? Fanco. We are in Universal Studio. Oh, this is the rail, the one we saw earlier. Ah. So we are in the Hollywood area. There is a Gone, Hollywood actor. Wow. So here there are a lot of characters from the Universal. There is a Hello Kitty. And this is my favorite, Minion. Look at them, so cute. So now we are entering another area. Let's see. Moving like a So this is a Transformer ride.
So as we say on my planet, is to begin whipping you into elite nest combatants. This will not be easy. Slow. We attack.
Glasses on. Wow, we got a special car.
So if anyone sees trouble, he's after the spark.
Let's go. We are now in the Egypt section. Wow. Go there. What are you doing? Puspa soon. Dami si Sulang na po. We are here. So finally. So now we are going to Jurassic Park area.
And she certainly loves attention. So
Oh,
on count of
so cute.
three, everyone shout hello.
Yes.
2, 3. Hello,
Hello, baby Kilo.
Look at that, right on cue.
Okay. Yeah, Jurassic Park ride. Wow. Who's
On behalf of John Hammond, welcome. Dinosaurs ruled the
Wow. Hi. Wow. Oh, we are going down, I think. Up. Oh, look at that. This is unpredictable. Don't eat us. We are a good girl. Woo! Wow, nice. Woo! Oh, you are lucky. Yeah, sure. What is yours?
Mutton.
Mutton. Our is butter chicken. Treasure hunter, this one. Wow, a castle. Welcome to the kingdom of Gone Kantam, Nila Kantam. This is the king. Where is the king? Eehee. Where is your castle? Oh. We are going.
Please your bags belongings on the shelves. All bags on the shelves, please.
Run for your life. Yes! Yes! No! Baby, come. We are green, not blue. No. Wow. Lion going. Oh my god, superstar. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Baby, the middle one looks like you. Baby. Hi. Bye bye. Bye bye. Let's go. Okay. Wow. Thank you. Oh, nice, eh? Wow, wow. It's good.
Once upon a time, there were two best friends. One called Poppy and the other Branch. One so full of life, she outsparkled the sun. His favorite, crazy talent. What's up, my party people? Let me hear you make some noise. Nice.
So we are going back. Let's go. Coffee bean.